Falling Waters State Park is located in Chipley, Florida. That's in the panhandle part of the state, about an hour west of Tallahassee, and about 55 minutes north of Panama City. And if you were traveling through like we were, it was only 5 minutes south of Interstate 10. This small but quaint 171-acre park is only $5 to get in. It was established in 1962, and it sits on the elevation of a little over 300 feet. For our bird lovers, it is on the Great Florida Birding Trail, and for our camping friends, it does have 24 campsites with water and electric hookup, but I did see, as of July of 2023, the campsites will be closed for road maintenance. So always check back to see when they will be open again if you're planning on camping here. The picnic area and playground sit on top of a beautiful pine tree covered hill where you have beautiful views of the surrounding area. And if you like these informative travel videos, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Right from the picnic area and playground parking lot, you get on the Waterfall Trail, which I would like to point out is wheelchair accessible, which is so great that they have that option.
They also have one walkway, but then they have a wheelchair accessible walkway to the right of it, which is nice for people in a wheelchair. They can access the waterfall. I think I'm going to start to hear it. Definitely more than last time we were here.
This waterfall is mostly dependent on rain, and fortunately it rained in this area shortly before we got here, so we had good flow this day.
Wow, that's really pretty. How far down it goes.
They believe this waterfall formed when a top of a cave collapsed. This whole area is limestone, and when the water drops down, it disappears underground into an underground cave, and eventually they think it makes it to the aquifer. From the waterfall trail, you can get right on the Wiregrass Trail. And I just wanted to point out there is only 3 nature trails in this park, totaling 1 mile. So 3 small nature trails that total a mile. So there's not a whole lot of hiking here, but there are some beautiful things to see.
That's cool. That's where they tried to find oil. That is cool.
The trail circles around to their 2-acre lake where you can swim and fish in. We went in the middle of December when the weather was cool and dry, so no swimming for us, but it was really beautiful to see.